All right, I'm here at Sappington Pro Outdoor today, and I'm going to be unboxing this KX 450.
We'll have music playing up there.
Yeah, we're going to have to. I ain't gonna come out yet. Takes a while to do this. All right, this is how these bikes normally come. The handlebars are off and the front wheel's off as well. So I'll install those and get it all set up. Oh my God, restart.
No, we got that.
Oh my. That's gold right there, huh? All right, unboxing the front fender now.
I had to send her the camera anyway, so, so we just started here. Let's see.
Oh yeah, there's already, look at that little battery.
All right, this is the new 2023 Kawasaki KX 450 SR. We deliver nationwide if you're looking for one today, or you can come on down here to Sappington Pro Outdoor and pick it up and drive it home.